Hey there all. Hope you're all having a good day. I have for you here a Mul-T-Lock Interactive key and knob cylinder. It's a 5-pin, pin-in pin. So I guess it's actually 10 pins. Dimple lock. Feels like it's got serrated pins in it. So I'm going to try to get it open here and see what's in it. Alright, what do we got here? It's holding me up. Come on. I don't think it's that interactive pin. Had to basically pick the whole lock again. Alright, what are we stuck on now? There we go. Okay. We're getting there. should just be a couple of the inner drivers. If I don't get my pick stuck and screw everything up first. Yeah, and the thing bent like crazy. Come on. There we go. Okay, so now let's. God, that took so much longer that time. Let's hope nothing disastrous happens so I can finally get this thing gutted. My light just fell apart. Man, this lock is cursed, I swear. Oh, I should have taken that off. Damn it. Alright, I'm trying to do this without relocking it. Alright. Got that part. We are there, so we actually should be okay. Grab a shelf just in case. Don't want those inner pins to get stuck right there. Alright, come on, baby, we're almost there. Well, I think my follower turned inside of there. Yeah, probably. Alright, so I'm going to lose a pin or two. Well, I don't know, let's see if we can go backwards. Nope. Alright. The last pin is going to come out, so our last two. But that's okay. So, serrated, just like I thought. Alright. I knew something disastrous was going to happen, but at least it didn't stop me from gutting the thing. So there is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Oh, that is a 2-part. Oh, maybe those are master wafers. That is an anti-drill. Oh no, that's the interactive element. Alright, where are my tweezers? I need smaller tweezers for this one. Well, these will have to do because I don't know where those are. Take those master wafers out of there for the next time I pick it. Ah, these are spooled inner drivers. And I'll bet they've got the counter milling in here to go along with it. Yep, that's counter milled. Alright, so it's got the spooled inner drivers and the counter milled outer, or spooled inner key pins and counter milled outer driver pins to get those caught up in there. Man, I knew something was going to happen. This is kind of funny. Alright, well, whatever. It is what it is. Alright, well, there's another master wafer. Let's get this guy out of here. There it goes. And last but not least, that is cool. That's an outer master, but the inner is the same. Huh. Unless that is just a part of it. No, it's not. That's cool. Never seen that before. Alright. That's our interactive element that goes inside of the plug. This is a standard Mul-T-Lock 3-dimensional core. Drill protection you'd expect to see. Alright, so key pins are all standard, except the inner key pins have those spooled uppers on them. Yep. There we go. Serrated drivers, a couple of master wafers that are definitely coming out of there now that I know they're there. And that's it. Sorry for the long video, but disasters happen. Alright all, have a great day. Take care. Quick update. This was not actually the interactive element like I thought. It was actually just a key control pin that was in one of these side sections here. I guess it goes in from the... Oh, nope, there we go. Alright, so, yep, that's what that was. Just wanted to give a little update there. Alright, take care all. Alright, a few clicks out of one. A few out of two there. Little click out of three. Two out of four. Two out of five. A little more out of three there. Another click out of one. Oh, got a big click out of the interactive chamber. Yep, click out of the inner on one and dropped into a deeper false set. Alright, what is holding me up here? There we went. Alright. should just be an inner driver pin. Come on. There you go. All right. Click out of 5 and we opened up.